Hello, am I audible? I think your mic is muted.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Yeah, can you?
Just one person is coming. I think Yogesh Patel is there. Okay, got it.
Okay.
So, okay. So first of all, I will just introduce myself. Myself is Ajinkya Puranik.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I am the key person of the developer,
Mm-hmm.
and I handle all the electronics and software part of it. Yogesh Patel is there who handles the sales and also a director in the company,
Mm-hmm.
right? So first of all, I will just walk through our product. I will show the demonstration of it and let us know if you have any doubt or query, and we will then take it over.
Sure. So before getting to that, I would like to give a small introduction about ourselves as well, so that we can get to know each other in a very
Right.
prominent. So myself, Gaston Ravin Dias. You can call me Gaston or Ravin. I
Okay.
am the director of this Healthcare Engineering Private Limited. We are based in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Okay, our head office in
Okay.
Colombo, Sri Lanka. And we are having some other connections in the other countries. Most of the people are working in the other countries as well as a freelancers, right? So mainly we are operating from Sri Lanka, but we are having the networks and supports from the other countries as well. What we do is we are mainly on health tech and device sales. So our main aim is consulting the care practitioners and the health owners, such as owners or consult them about the technology and which devices they can. So that's why we are collaborating with multiple companies like you. We really appreciate the collaborations because we have to understand the current practices and the technologies, what is being practiced in the market, so that we can able to spread our network initially, and we can recommend the practitioners about the modern devices, which is very suitable for them, which is cost efficient as well. Okay. So that's why I
Right.
would like to wait and get to know your products. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Then, should I start now? If you
Sure. So let's see your products, and can you walk us through about your products and their specifications, the applications? That would be really appreciated. Yeah.
So this is the machine, ECG
Oh,
machine,
okay.
right? Which is a 12 channel ECG machine, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, there is only one key over it, which is on off key,
Uh-huh.
and here is the charging port, right? With this, you get the limb leads, electrodes, and a cable,
Okay.
which is attached to a device. And as if now we don't have patient right now, so we have using a simulator,
Simulator. Okay, fine.
right? Okay. So now I will just share my screen and
Mm.
show the application part.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, you have to give me the permission to share my screen from the application.
Oh, okay. Let me give you the permission. Yeah, it's done now.
Okay. Um,
So the total machine is that size only, right? So that's the processor part,
yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Not yet. Yeah, now I can see it. Okay.
Okay.
Dr. Cardio.
So now device is connected to a mobile phone via Bluetooth, right?
Mhm.
Once all the leads and clamps are attached to the body of a patient, we have to press on the acquire new ECG.
Mm-hmm.
Once it is done, the black color screen would appear, and I have to just play. You can see on top right corner there is a green color button of play. I will just
Okay.
press on it, and data of all 12 channels would appear here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So once it is done,
So this is 12 electrodes, right?
yes,
Yes.
electrodes are 10, but two channels are been verified by algorithms. So it is called as 12 channel ECG machine.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Once you can see above, there is a timer going on. Once it
Okay.
is about 25 seconds, we have to just press stop. There is a tick mark there. I will just press on it. Patient name is compulsory, and
Okay.
all other details are not mandatory, right? You can
Okay.
also take a patient signature if you need, and I will just save, and report will be generated in the form of PDF.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So this is the ECG report that has been generated.
Mm-hmm.
Here all the patient detail would be there. Right. Here are the
Okay.
parameters, how much heart rate is there, RR waves, PR waves, all. Here you can give a patient sign, and
Mm-hmm.
also doctor signature can be available.
Okay.
Okay. And all the reports are stored in mobile itself.
Okay.
So you can just view from here also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here are the some settings that are filters, gains, which are normally available in the ECG machines, where you can have a doctor's name, hospital name, address. You can have doctor signature that would appear in the report, right? In every report, it would be appearing. So these are some basic settings and things are there. You can ask.
Okay. So we don't need any other gadgets. So this is how we are working, right? So you are having a piece of a processor connected with the all the electrodes, and the output can be collected to the mobile phone directly through this app, right? So these are the two devices that you
Right.
need, right?
Yes, yes, yes. One mobile phone and one ECG machine.
Okay. Okay. So how about the prices for these machines and all?
Okay. Yogesh?
Continue.
Super. Yogesh, price पूछे थे.
Yeah, price is 29,000 rupees.
So 29,000 Indian rupees, right?
Indian rupees, yes.
Okay. And how about these things? Do we need any other third-party technical person to install these, or just buy and we can play it around?
No, no, there is no need of any third party installation is required. We have a video for how to do ECG. Once they got it, they do themselves also.
Okay.
As if now what we do is we same as I have shown you the demonstration. We do a
Mhm.
video call, and on a video call we give them training. In just one training, they understand how to use the ECG machine as it is easy to use. So require no more trainings are required.
Yeah, and this device is plug and play system.
Sorry, what? Yogesh, I think I didn't get you. You mentioned something, right?
Yeah, this device is plug and play system. Like you can easily connect with the Android devices via
Oh,
Bluetooth.
okay, okay, okay. And
Yeah,
how
and
I believe that the device must be having some battery capacities, right? So some kind of a lithium-ion battery or whatever for the power system.
Mm, yes, yes.
Yes,
It's the
in a single charge device, you can take up to around 200 to 250 patients.
Okay. Aha. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So do you already
With
have any?
this, yes, with this we have also a cloud-based system.
Mhm.
Yogesh is just sharing the screen of it. You can see once the report is generated, uh, the report can go to the cardiologist panel, and
Okay.
cardiologist can do the reporting. And once reporting is done, automatically the report can be synced to our application.
Mhm. Okay.
So this
So
is the
how?
online version of it.
Okay. 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 So this is the version report, right? So how the report looks like.
Yes, yes.
How about the warranties, warranty periods?
Generally, we give 2 years of replacement warranty.
Mm-hmm.
Anything happens to it, we just replace the device. Secondly, it is hard electronics based, right? So nothing happens. 3 years, we have to change the battery of it,
Okay.
lithium ion battery.
Mm-hmm. Do you
Yes.
battery
So
included in
sorry, your voice is breaking.
No, okay. I'm asking, do you provide a separate warranty for the battery life, or all are included within the 2 years or 3 years, whatever you have mentioned now?
Yes, it is all included in that.
Okay then. Okay. So far, do you have any collaborations within the Sri Lankan market?
As if now, no.
Okay. So I think I really like the product, and so far, as long as I know, in Sri Lankan market, we are using a little bit huge product, the conventional ECG machines. I haven't seen anyone using a portable electric ECG machine, and I think the market will be expecting some products like this. Okay.
Right.
So do you, for example, let's say, what are the services, once you purchase your product, what are the purchase services that you can offer after the sales? After sales?
So after sales, first is see, we can provide them the like uh, like we can give them the cloud services, right? If they need, for example, there are diagnostic centers, chain is there. One is in your city, another is in different city. Doctors might not know which person is taking which ECG, right? So we can provide
Mhm.
that, we can give them solution of the cloud system, in which they can get the dashboard, and in a dashboard they can observe which staff member is taking ECG, when is taking, and where the ECG is being taken. So every detail would be appearing on the dashboard. So this would be the beneficially for the doctors. Secondly, we can provide them the cardiologist opinion services, where cardiologist give the report is sent to the cardiologist, and cardiologist will give their opinion. For example, if any further test is required or not, the ECG is normal or abnormal. So we
Mhm.
provide them that services also.
Okay. How about the ECG electrodes? Do you give any spare electrodes, or let's say during the period of our usage, if it gets damaged,
Mm.
can we buy some electrodes from you, or do you provide any spare electrodes with the initial purchase? And is it a what type of electrode actually is it? Is it a cup electrode, or is it a gel electrode? What type of electrode are you using with the product?
Hello,
Hello,
hello.
did you get my question?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I'm just asking
Yes,
about the
actually,
product,
my
the electrode.
my network was gone. What? Yes, we can negotiate with that, but the 2 years replacement warranty which we give on the device does not apply on the accessories. So
Okay.
if
Mm-hmm.
device or accessories, for example electrodes or clamps or cables, are not covered in that warranty because it's an accessory, if
Okay.
that gets damaged, then generally you have to purchase new one. which is a general cable or clamp which is available in the market. There is no
Mm-hmm.
extra. It's not like that you have to purchase from our side only.
Oh, so everything. So you say whatever the products we can find it in our own market will be can be synchronized with this product.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So initially, what type of electrodes or electrode cables that you are providing with the product? What type of electrode is going to be there? Is it a clamp or cup or what type of electrode?
What? Everything. I will just show you. These are the electrodes, right?
Yeah.
Chest electrodes are there, right?
Okay.
These are the clamps. Four clamps, for two for the hand and two for the
Okay.
legs.
The limit. Okay. For the.
This is there.
Oh, okay. So,
Okay, and with this, there is a carry bag.
okay.
Right. This is all provided into the kit.
Mm-hmm. So entire kit is around cost around 29K Indian rupees.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. So I really like the product and thank you for the nice demo. I really like it and I believe that we have potential for these products because as long as I know, we do not have portable ECG machines like this within this size. We do not have. I haven't seen anything from the industry. And let me
Right,
try
right.
my best for you guys in order to market these products in the Sri Lankan market. So, as our next step, shall we create a personal WhatsApp group in order to talk
Sure,
about our further businesses and the negotiations and all? We can move forward with our WhatsApp group. Okay.
sure.
Okay. Right. Thank you so much for the demo.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Sure.
Yogesh, for participating. I really appreciate it. And
Yeah.
let's hope a very positive way from the Sri Lankan market. Okay.
Sure, sir, sure.
Okay. And is this your own product or you are some kind of a
No, no.
vendor?
We are the manufacturer of this product. So
Oh,
anything, yes,
Yeah.
we are the manufacturer of this product. So anything you need, we can provide you. It's not an issue.
okay.
We are
In that
also
case, it
providing
will
with
be
the
fine.
OEM facilities also.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Yeah. Suppose if you need with your brand name with the device and application and cloud model, all things. So we are also providing that type of services.
Okay then. Okay.
Yeah, and
Sure.
Ajinkya is a founder of this Dr. Cardio brand, and I'm myself also co-founder of this brand. So we are the like
Okay.
design and develop and manufacturing from all from India. So
That's really
any
great.
kind of you have any customization and all things will be we will provide it, not an issue.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then,
Okay.
Ajinkya, thank you so much for the quick demo. And
Sure,
let's connect through the WhatsApp, right? Let's create the group
sure,
and
Yeah.
we will talk further.
Sure. I will share the
Okay.
Ajinkya's WhatsApp number, so you can just add on this group.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
okay,
Okay.
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 Thank
Thank you so
you.
much, guys.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you
Pastor.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.